Hey guys, hope you're well and welcome to this commission completion video. In front of you, you can see some awesome Ulthwe Eldar models from Warhammer 40,000. We're back shortly to have a look at these awesome models in more detail. See you guys back in a second. So let's jump in and have a look at this awesome Ulthwe commission. This whole entire project has been completed by Chris, one of the artists here at Siege, and it's really good to work on two different size models of both obviously the Wraithknights at the back and also the Bonesinger characters that are at the front of the models. So we'll pull forward the Bonesingers first of all, just so you can see these awesome models. Now these were originally released by GW quite some time ago, and then I think they were limited run if memory serves correct, but if you know when they came out, put some comments below. But you've got this awesome dude riding, like surfing, kind of like some Wraithbone there, with his instrument in hand, which is really cool. The background on these characters is actually amazing in the way that they work in the narrative as well, so do go check that out on either sort of Lexicanum or somewhere like that. But again, as you can see, awesome amounts of gem work on there, all the gems fully picked out, fully highlighted across the model and all the areas of detail. You've got these lovely complementary purple and blue for the sash as well, and a little bit of subtle sort of blue sort of glazed onto the cloth work as well, which is really nice. So that's just one of the two Bonesingers. And obviously the second one is painted exactly the same as you can see here, just so you can see both of them next to each other. But awesome models, just to give you an idea of the consistency we can achieve here at Siege. So you get very high quality models, very similar if you've got multiple characters and wish them to be exactly the same. So that's just the two Bonesingers from this force. Put those aside and then look at the real sort of eye candy stuff that I'm sure a lot of you guys want to look at, which is the two Wraithknights that make up this commission. Now, when we approached colours on this, we didn't want to just do it just black. And if I move this in the light, you can see it's kind of got like a bluish sort of tinge to the black as well, which is really cool. And it just adds a bit of interest to that black armour for the Wraithknight. You've got a bit of a glow, sort of energised look on the faceplate or head. And then we've got a lot of the gems fully painted on this model as well. Obviously, there are quite a substantial amount of gems on Wraithknights. We don't want to pick them all out for this specific model, just purely because otherwise it'd look far too much, I think, the red complementing against the black. But then some of the nodules as well, painted darker but still sort of edge highlighted, just adds interest to them as well, which is really nice. And I love the sort of subtle transition on these cream sort of plates as well with armour. And then we have the sword as well, that's obviously all blended, which is really nice. So that's just one of them. Now they are fully magnetised, so our client can choose to sort of replace bits and bobs. I'll put them in the two loadout versions here just so you can see them. So obviously I have this sword and board gentleman on the left, and then on the right we have the dude with all the guns and all the Dakar, which is really cool. So again, you can see the same attention to detail on this dude as well. All the metal work, all the edges, everything fully picked out, fully highlighted, with that lovely subtle blue tinge to the raised portions that catch the light on the armoured torso and legs and arms and bits and bobs. Moving around, you can see all the different gems that have been picked out. The sort of glyphs and things on the back are all nicely done in metallics as well, just to really make them sort of stand out on the armour. So that's really cool. And again, all the cream plates of armour that you can see as well, just to add that Ulthwe colour scheme on there as well. It's quite interesting. A lot of people go sort of yellow, and seeing this cream as well is really nice, just to see that done as well. So that's just the second Wraithknight. Do hope you like both of them, guys, and obviously the two Bonesinger characters as well. They're just at the front, cheeky little models. And stick around to the next section of this video just to find out a little bit more about them. See you guys back in a sec. So thanks for checking the video out, guys. Really appreciate it ever so much. And I do hope you've liked these awesome Eldar models that Chris had loads of fun painting. If you are interested in a commission with us here at Siege, then all you really need to do is head down into the description of this video, which has a link to the contact form of our website. On that contact form, there's loads of drop-down options. When you reach it, select the ones that are relevant to you. And then obviously in the message section at the bottom, include a list of models for your commission in our format, which is explained how to do that on there. Fire that off to us to get the process started, and we'll come back to you with a quote. Also in the description there are links to all of our social media platforms, be it Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. Please do go give us a like or follow on either one of those. You can keep up to date with everything that happens in the studio, all the models and commissions which we do. And if you have got a commission with us, you can keep up to date with your commission by watching those social media channels. And finally, here on YouTube, give us a subscribe if you're watching the video, because we really appreciate it. If you're not a subscriber already, hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all the uploads that do happen here on our channel, and drop some comments below. What is your favourite Eldar model and why? All-time favourite? Let us know in the comments. We'd really like to know. See you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.